Miyamoto Musashi once wrote, "Do nothing which is of no use." Look at your life. You have spent months, perhaps years, polishing your mind. You wake up at 4 a.m. You journal, you meditate, you consume endless hours of philosophy on how to be a better man, how to think like a king, and how to manifest abundance. You have built a beautiful sword, decorated with the finest quotes and the most disciplined rituals. But when you step into the marketplace, the modern battlefield, you are defeated instantly. Your bank account is empty. Your influence is zero. You are a warrior with a jeweled blade that cannot cut. You have fallen into the self-improvement trap. You have mistaken the preparation for the battle. You are addicted to the feeling of becoming, while doing absolutely nothing. If you are tired of being a student of success and are ready to become a master of execution, subscribe to this channel and join our circle. We don't deal in comfort here. We deal in the cold reality of mastery. Turn on notifications. The battle begins now. In ancient Japan, there was a term for those who studied the sword, but never fought: the paper warrior. Today, the internet is full of paper warriors. You believe that by watching one more video on the 10 habits of millionaires, you are moving closer to the goal. You aren't. In fact, every video you watch without taking immediate action is actually making you weaker. Why? Because you are training your brain to receive a win without a struggle. You are tricking your spirit into believing it has conquered a mountain just because you read a map. This is the money mindset trap. You are trying to think your way into wealth, but the universe only responds to movement. Musashi didn't become the greatest swordsman by reading about grip strength. He became the greatest by stepping onto the field and risking everything. Your self-improvement has become your hiding place. It is the cave where you go to avoid the terrifying reality that you currently have nothing of value to offer the world. You have been told that you need a millionaire mindset before you can make $1 million. This is a lie designed to keep you buying courses and seeking permission. The marketplace is indifferent to your mindset. It does not care if you feel confident. It does not care if you have healed your inner child. It only asks one question: can you solve this problem? Wealth is a byproduct of competence, not vibes. If you are a beginner looking to make money online, your mindset is the last thing you should worry about. Your skill is the first. You don't need to believe in yourself to write a piece of code that works. You don't need to align your chakras to close a sale. You need to be effective. The mindset of a winner is earned in the mud of the struggle. You don't get the mindset and then start. You start, and the mindset is forged through the fire of your failures. To break the trap, you must adopt the Ronin Strategy. A Ronin has no master. He relies only on his utility. 1. Kill the inspiration. Inspiration is a fair-weather friend. If you only work when you are inspired by a video, you are a slave to your emotions. A professional works when he is bored. He works when he is tired. He works because the work must be done. 2. The rule of 1. You are failing because you are trying to learn 10 things at once. You are studying crypto, real estate, and SAS simultaneously. You are a jack of all trades and a master of 0 bank accounts. Pick one skill, one weapon, and swing it until your hands bleed. 3. The 90-to-10 ratio. From this moment forward, for every 10 minutes of improvement content you consume, you must spend 90 minutes in production. If you cannot produce, you have no right to consume. The self-improvement industry wants you to be a perpetual student. Mindset Narratives wants you to be a practitioner. There is a concept in Zen called the void. It is the space where thought ends and action begins. Most of you are standing at the edge of the void, trying to think your way across. You are analyzing the wind. You are calculating the drop. You are waiting for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. There is only the jump. If you want to escape the money mindset trap, stop trying to be better and start being useful. Find someone with a problem and solve it. Find a gap in the market and fill it. Do it badly. Do it awkwardly. But for the love of your future self, do it. Success is a messy, violent process. It is not a clean, aesthetic journal entry. It is a series of brutal iterations until you finally hit the mark. The time for preparation is over. The sun is setting on your potential. It is time for your reality to take its place. Put down the books, close this tab, go to work. The version of you that is rich is the version of you that stopped watching videos like this and started building. If you have the courage to face the void, comment "The blade is sharp" below. It is our signal to the world that we have stopped dreaming and started doing. If you seek the blueprints for the warrior's path to wealth, the link to our inner circle is in the description. Don't improve, execute. Welcome back to Mindset Narratives.